Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So this time I'm first before I start, I want to thank you all for a lot of views and a lot of comments have started flowing in, and I have already selected one lucky winner for whom I will be giving a 15 minutes reading. So now, still I'm going to continue that process every 2 weeks once. When I see a lot of people, whoever likes and comments and are regular followers in our channel, we will be giving them 15-minute reading or a 3 card reading. That again depends on what I feel guided for. So now let's see what are the cards for today. I have taken the Angel of Abundance cards. I felt guided to take that, so I have taken that today. Okay. Now the first card is basically take a divinely guided chance. So maybe today you're thinking of some new venture or some new job, or you want to try something new where you want to know whether it will be good for you, whether it will be comfortable for you, whether it will be a permanent job for you, or will you get stuck and will you not be able to grow. A lot of things are running in your mind. Can you see this? You're just looking at the opportunity right in front of you, but you're scared to take the opportunity. Now according to the cards, what I would suggest is just go with the flow, leave it to the divine, and if your heart says yes, take this opportunity, then I would suggest just take the opportunity and don't think of anything else at all, because maybe that is what the cards are also saying, that take a divinely guided chance. Now when we say guided chance, you just go by your inner heart and your inner intuition. If the intuition says yes, then yes it is. So now let's see whether what I am predicting is right. So I'm taking another card just as a reconfirmation. Now okay, now that's more like a reconfirmation that here also usually Empress is a very positive card in tarot, and it also means a yes, you should go ahead with it. That's what it actually means. So somewhere you are on the right track when I am saying that you need to take this decision and just go with the flow. And today, as a surprise, I'm going to give you all an affirmation that you all can start your day with. This is the affirmation: be true to yourself and let go of all worries and fear of the unknown. So I know most of you all have starting your day by seeing my reading, and most of you all see it in the night itself to see what it is that you want to do for the next day. So color, you should wear a red colored dress, or you should carry a red kerchief today. That is what is coming in my mind, and this is the thing you should say 11 times. I am true to myself. I let go of all my worries and fear of the unknown. We will not read the way it is given here, so that's why I'm repeating again. I will be true to myself. I would let go of all the worries and the fear of the unknown. Chant this 11 times and start your day. I hope you all are enjoying it. Do like the channel, share the channel, share the videos so that everyone gets blessed and benefited, and do subscribe it and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified every day when the video is getting uploaded. Thank you.